Welcome to my channel Detailed Math Solutions. In this video I'm going to use two methods to find the products displayed on the screen. The first method is by using the identity a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared, which can also be written as a minus b in parentheses multiplied by a plus b in parentheses equals to a squared minus b squared. This identity is also called special product formula for sum and difference of the same terms. The second method for solving these exercises is by using the distributive property, which can also be written in two ways: n equals to a squared minus b squared. As we can notice, both methods give the same result. However, the first method is a lot quicker and efficient. Next, I'm going to illustrate this and find each product by using both methods. Find the product x minus y in parentheses multiplied by x plus y in parentheses. When I use the formula, this equals to x squared minus y squared. When I apply the distributive property, this equals to x multiplied by x plus y minus y multiplied by x plus y. When I open parentheses and multiply x by each term within the parentheses, and then negative y with each term within the parentheses, I get x squared plus xy minus xy minus y squared. Now we have xy and minus xy are the same term with opposite signs. Therefore, their sum equals to 0 and they cancel out. This way, this equals to x squared minus y squared. Next exercise. Find the product y minus x in parentheses multiplied by minus x minus y in parentheses. This expression can also be written as minus x plus y in parentheses multiplied by minus x minus y in parentheses. This way I can apply the formula, and when I do that I get minus x in parentheses squared minus y squared, or this equals to x squared minus y squared. When I use the second method and apply the distributive property, this equals to y multiplied by minus x minus y in parentheses minus x multiplied by minus x minus y in parentheses. This equals to minus xy minus y squared plus x squared plus xy. Minus xy and xy cancel out because their sum equals to 0, and this expression equals to x squared minus y squared. Next exercise. Find the product x plus y multiplied by y minus x. This expression can also be written as y plus x multiplied by y minus x. In this way, I can apply the formula, and this equals to y squared minus x squared. When I use the distributive property, this equals to x multiplied by y minus x plus y multiplied by y minus x. When I open parentheses, I get xy minus x squared plus y squared minus xy. Again, xy and minus xy cancel out, and this expression equals to y squared minus x squared. Find the product minus y minus x in parentheses multiplied by x minus y in parentheses. I need to write this expression as minus y minus x multiplied by minus y plus x. This way I can apply the formula, and when I do that I get minus y in parentheses squared minus x squared, or this equals to y squared minus x squared. When I apply the distributive property, this equals to minus y multiplied by x minus y minus x multiplied by x minus y. This equals to minus xy plus y squared minus x squared plus xy. Again, minus xy and xy cancel out, and I get y squared minus x squared. Next exercise, find the product a plus x in parentheses multiplied by x minus a in parentheses. Again, I can write this expression as x plus a in parentheses multiplied by x minus a in parentheses. And this way I can apply the formula, and this equals to x squared minus a squared. When I use the distributive property, I get a multiplied by x minus a in parentheses plus x multiplied by x minus a in parentheses. This equals to ax minus a squared plus x squared minus ax. Again, ax and minus ax cancel out, and this equals to x squared minus a squared. And the last exercise is to find the product minus x minus b in parentheses multiplied by b minus x. Again, I can write this as minus x minus b in parentheses multiplied by minus x plus b. And when I apply the formula, this equals to minus x squared minus b squared, which equals to x squared minus b squared. Next, I'm going to solve it by using the distributive property. And when I do that, this equals to minus x multiplied by b minus x. And then minus b multiplied by b minus x. When I open parentheses, this equals to minus bx plus x squared minus b squared plus bx minus bx and bx cancel out. Therefore, this equals to x squared minus b squared. As we can see from each exercise, both methods give the same result. However, the first method is faster and more efficient. Which method do you prefer? Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.